Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number X208XX. Only 30,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Summit white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper. And Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Equinox seats 5. Cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon and the city average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.